My name is Yomara Day, and the genetic disorder that I research is Progeria. What is Progeria? Progeria, also known as Hutchinson-Gilford syndrome, is a genetic disorder that causes people to age rapidly. It is extremely rare, affecting 1 in every 4 million people, and there's only about 150 cases ever recorded. Symptoms of progeria will start to show by 2 to 4 years of age. What does progeria affect? So in this picture is Sam Burns, a 17-year-old who was diagnosed with progeria at age 3. Unfortunately, Sam did pass away a couple years ago, but things that Sam experienced with having progeria is he would have frequent seizures throughout the day. He was very unstable and weak. He couldn't stand for long periods of time, and he couldn't carry or hold heavy items. Progeria also drastically affected his growth and development. He was very short and thin, and he couldn't contain body muscle. So the diagnosis and prognosis of progeria. So when you have symptoms of progeria, you go to the hospital and you take a genetic test that looks for changes in the LMNA gene, but they don't take this test on newborn babies when they're born because symptoms start on kids ages 2 to 4, so there could be false negatives on newborn babies, and it's such a rare disease that the chances of having it are close to nothing. But the prognosis for progeria is 14 to 20. So symptoms and treatment options for progeria. So the symptoms for progeria will start to appear by ages 2 to 4. And some of the symptoms are you have a larger head compared to your body, you have full body hair loss, you have slow growth development, making you very small, shorter than other kids, thin, wrinkly skin. But a treatment option is Zokinvy. It is an affordable treatment option and is a first-class treatment. Progeria Research Foundation is a research foundation that is always looking for new and more effective treatments for progeria. They're also always looking for treatments for other age-related disorders like arthritis, for example. They do help families and people who can't afford the adjustments or treatment options for people with progeria. And you can go to their website to donate as well at progeria.research.org. So thank you for listening to my presentation about progeria.